Hey guys, you're here for update 2 on Cyclone Eula. This update is as of 2100 UTC on 5th of January 2016. Storm's located at 21.0 degrees south, 177.1 degrees east. Across the international date line now, winds are 50 miles per hour and a pressure of 989 millibars. Storm's going to trek a little bit more northwards from now. Though still on a weakening trend, becoming a tropical depression within 72 hours, possibly still going to affect Vanuatu as an extra tropical cyclone, so could be it's just cause minor disruption in Vanuatu and also possibly in New Caledonia as well. Won't get as far as Australia, though could affect there as an extra tropical cyclone, but probably nothing by then. Elsewhere in the world, we have windstorm Helmet making landfall on the United Kingdom, and yes, I know it's called Helmet. When I told my mates earlier, they just laughed. Also, Invest 90Q in the South Atlantic, located at 19.5 degrees south, 32.3 degrees west. That storm has actually now been designated Subtropical Depression 1. First storm in the South Atlantic of the year. It's only expected to stay as a tropical depression for a week again. So that's all for this update now. Thank you guys for watching. This is Force 15 signing off.